Hi, my name is Olivia Goebel, and I'm going to teach you some computer procedures through Microsoft Word. Specifically, I'm going to show you how to take a screen clipping from an open internet browser through Microsoft Word, then how to crop that screen clipping, add a border, and then if you need to, change the orientation of the page from portrait to landscape, and then if you accidentally delete any of this, how to retrieve that. So, if you open your Word document, you're going to end up on your home page. From there, you're going to click on Insert, the third icon over. Once you're on Insert, you're going to hit Screenshot or Screen Clipping. It's under Illustrations. It's got the little camera with the little lines and the plus sign. So you hit that. It's going to show you all the tabs you have open. So the first three are just simply how I'm recording on my computer, so you ignore those. And then the third one, that's my internet browser that I have open. I'm showing you a quote by Louis Zamperini, and that's what we're going to screen clip. So I click on it. It adds the screen clipping from my Google Chrome web browser. So it pops up once you click it. And if you wanted to print this, you wouldn't want all of the stuff around it to be printed as well, because you don't really need the website or all of that, like the Facebook, Twitter. So you're going to want to crop. It's up in the right-hand corner of your Word document. It's got like the squares and the lines and all that. You're going to click on the image. It's going to pop up these lines in the corners or on the edges. So you can either start with the corners and change how it's cropped, or you can take the edges. So I'm going to do the edge lines. So I'm going to look on my left side, crop my right. You simply click with your mouse or your mouse pad, and you drag the line over. So I want it to end there. Again, do it with the bottom. Click on the bottom one, drag it up. Then lastly, the top. Drag it to where you want the image to be cropped. What it's showing you in the white or the spotlighted image is what it's going to crop. You're not going to see all this in gray anymore once you click out. You're only getting what is highlighted white. So to get rid of all the gray, click on the outside of your Word document just once, and it should get rid of it. So there's what it crops it to. If you did not get it all cropped like you wanted to, you could hit it again, hit the image, then go to picture format, and then crop it again. The crop's going to stay in the same spot. But I have it how I want it to be. So if I want to add a border to this, I simply go to picture styles, and all the borders are right here in the middle. If I hit this arrow, it shows me all the different options of borders and all the different ways that they make them. I'm just going to hit this black one. And if I click out, it shows me what it looks like. Now, if I want to make it larger, click the image again and take one of the circles and drag it however large you want it to be. So that seems okay to me. But if I want my picture to be printed on the page in landscape instead of portrait, you're going to have to go over to the layout up in the top of your document and then hit orientation. You can either have it in portrait mode or landscape. If I want it landscape, so I want it longer than it is taller, you click landscape. So then you're in landscape mode, but you don't want it to be printed in the top left. You want it in the middle of your paper. So you could drag it to the middle or try to drag it to the middle, but it's not really going to move. In order to make it on the middle of the page, you hit position, and then you hit this button right here. It says position in middle center with square text wrapping. So if you typed around it, the text would go around it. If you want it anywhere else, you just hover over to where you want it. I'm going to keep it in the middle. Click out, and it's there. But if you accidentally hit the backspace and you delete your picture and you want to bring it back, you go up to this arrow at the top left, hit undo, and it pops it right back where it was before. So that was some basic computer procedures through Microsoft Word, and I hope you learn more on how to use Word. Thank you.